Hi. Um, so this week I'm kind of late with turning in this video because I've been sick. I don't know if you could tell, but I am. So this week I'm assuming we're talking about what our plans are in regards to research assistants and then internships and organizations. So my plan so far in regards to those two things. Yeah, two things. Um, well, with the research assistantship, um, I was planning on going to the wellness center that's here on campus and asking if they know of any research studies that are going to be conducted or are currently being conducted, and asking if there's any way that I can participate in that, pretty much. Um, and if that one didn't work out, I was planning on going to the psychology center in the Ricks building and asking the secretaries and the professors that are around there if they know of any professors that are currently conducting any research studies, and if so, how can I help? So hopefully that pans out. I'm planning on doing that winter semester, and if not, I can do it in fall semester or spring semester or whenever it's available. And then for the internships, I was planning on, well, it's not really an internship per se, but it'll give me experience. I guess that is kind of an internship. But I planned on working at a suicide prevention hotline. Um, I think that working there will really help me learn how to calm people down and kind of get a grip on what happens afterwards, like how we help them with the processes. And so that'll kind of help me with my career choice of a victim's advocate. And also, so the places that I've been looking into getting an internship in, um, it's a police station or a social service office. Those are the two that I really want to get into because they just seem like they would have a lot more chances of those experiences. Well, the experience that I need, really. They're just really the type of environments that I would prefer to work in because they sound cool. That's essentially what it is. Um, and then kind of the two other options that I saw are the legal offices and the courts, which would be cool to work in as well, but the police station and the social service office are definitely my number two. Well, my first two options that I would like. Um, so besides those things that I just covered, I don't really know if we're supposed to be talking about anything else, but if I find out we are, then I'll just upload another video. No biggie. So, yeah, see ya.